Hello, my people. Welcome back to Christy TV. Repair the Cybercrime Act as nationwide protests hit Lagos, Oyo, as Nigerians rise against suppression of free speech. My corporate people, them no be smarting. People are no longer taking it suffering as things are getting worse in the country. Knowing too well that insecurity has been the order of the day, people being chased out of their places, being chased out from their communities, bandits killing so many people, things happening in so many places, Katsina, Sokoto, KB, Jos, Benue, Enugu State, and including Uromi, Kogi State, Edo State. My people, this time around, Nigerians are no longer taking it suffering. They are even warning police people, Nigerian army and police family, that if you know say your papa be police or army, make you give them warning, because say if they buy any Nigerian wey be say that they go out to protest, say that anger they go channel them to where their children dey, because say this suffering everybody dey suffer for inside this country. So now see the hot protesters don hit Lagos State. Hey, hundreds of Nigerians took to the streets of Lagos and Ibadan, Oyo State on Monday today morning, demanding the immediate repeal of the controversial Cybercrime Act. The protesters, mostly youth and members of a pro-democracy group, Take It Back movement, argue that the law has become a weapon of the hands of government authorities to silence dissent, stifle journalism, and criminalize freedom of speech in the country. My correct people, they must see.
Nigeria people! Yes, Nigeria people! We are here today because we have told the TINUBU regime that we will not accept the laws that control our fundamental human rights. We express ourselves. Now, the police are aware that we have a march today. They said they have their own program today as well. But we have told them that their program cannot stand in the way of our own march. And we have told them that we are going to the National Assembly. If they like, let them mobilize and join us. In fact, we have told policemen in Nigeria that it is time for the police and the people to work together, so that they can improve their own life conditions as well, and their working conditions. Nigerian policemen are the worst paid in the world, but they keep killing the same people who are fighting for them. We are not going to accept that anymore. While we are here, TINUBU is busy enjoying himself in France. We are not going to stay back in our country while our executive president is censoring our rights. And we have told them also that the IGP of police that is leading the program today at Eagle Square is an illegal IGP of police. He must leave after 60 years. You must go! 5 years of being in power. That is the essence of our march today. Nobody can stop an idea whose time has come. Nobody can stop an idea whose time has come. As we are having this march today, it's happening in Lagos as well. It's happening in Port Harcourt. And these ones are rehearsals. The time will come where all Nigerians will come out and nobody can stop them. See, they won't kill us. They won't kill us.
Northern youths are threatening to buy VDM, saying he made a tweet on Twitter. Firstly, VDM is not active on Twitter. The account is fake. And the person threatening to buy VDM is a soldier man, is a military man in the Nigerian army. These are the pictures. Please go to VDM's page and share the video of disclaimer that it's not him. Northern youths are angry because of this fake account on Twitter, making those tweets, and the Northern youths are thinking it is VDM. It is not him. Go and share that video on his page so that they know that it's not him that is making those tweets on Twitter. The most unfortunate thing is the fact that the person that is making those threats to buy VDM is a soldier man in the military, in Nigerian military. Very shameful. However, what is important to Ratchet Gagner is to share that video massively so that a lot of people will see that it's not him that is making those tweets on Twitter. Please.
Hausas and the Fulanis, I beg, waiting be the difference.
I wonder.
Because Hausa, they deny, say they not be Fulanis. Fulanis, they deny, say they not be Hausa. So my question is, say, waiting the difference between Hausa and Fulani? Because two of them, now the same character, all of them they possess. And now the same religion, all of them they under. So, can someone come up with a brief explanation for me, difference between Fulanis and Hausa? Because I know say two of them are both Malams. Can someone explain to me in the comment section? Because I'm confused. Hausas now, they hate Fulanis. Why Fulanis hate Hausas? But two of them are the same thing now.
I wonder.
I don't understand though.
Yes, men, they carry their cow, enter people farm, uproot the cassava, cut and use and feed their cows. If person will get the farm, come outside to talk, they go kill the farmer, join them, and nothing go happen. Now, one person can't go pour something on top in cassava, cow can't chop and die. The next thing way police go do now to arrest that farmer. But all this why people they complain, police never for one day arrest all these herdsmen. All this why they go slaughter human being, burn houses down. Police never for one day arrest all these people. But cow die. Una the arrest person we get farm. Sometimes I go just sit down the reason things will happen for this country. Governor Dr. Hyacinth Lomem Alia, are you aware of this nonsense going on in your state? As you know, say this kind of thing they happen for Benue State under your watch. You know, Abi, I no come here to talk too much. I give you the governor of Benue State and all the people that are involved in this dirty act. I give you guys 24 hours ultimatum to release that man ASAP, release that farmer, or else this country no go contain all of us. Enough is enough of all this nonsense. When I dey crazy, na say na get this country. So na just want take over Benue. Make them know say na get Benue. No go work for una. I no go better for all of una. When I dey destroy people farm, person can't decide to poison in crops. When a cow chop and die, the next thing they call police may arrest the person. And those stupid police still obey to go arrest that person. All those police where they involved for that arrest, na no go die well. One thing I wish all the police where they involved for that arrest be say, make nature do the same thing where those Fulani herdsmen they do to those people and their farm. Na no go escape the wrath of God for this country. Now no one wise. All those dirty police, now no one wise. These people go they use like they commit atrocity. It go later backfire for our head. All the old police people where they involved to pick that man up, una no go scot free. Nature go shame all of una. Shame on our family. Una children go be vagabonds. No go better for all of una. Governor Hyacinth, do what you have to do to save your people. I don't talk on before. They know they use emotion. They fight for freedom. If you continue like this, say you be Reverend Father, you know one do the thing where you supposed to do. Then go finish your people for you. You better get job, do the needful, fight for your people before they finish all of una. They do father. You go tell me who Reverend Father don't help for this Nigeria. No worry, they go come for you. By the time they go